morning, guys. This is Joe at Gmotorcars, and I am bringing to you this 2015, just came in, Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. This vehicle's got, I believe, 66,000 miles on it. This has a clean Carfax and a clean auto check. This vehicle originally stickered for $51,810. I'm going to be quiet for a minute and let you just take a look at some of the video. You have Pirelli tires on here. Those are expensive. You can always tell how the previous owner took care of their vehicle by the brand of the tire they put on. And Pirellis are probably the most expensive one you can get. Some of the options that are included in this vehicle are heated front seats. I'll go inside here. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, the Illuminated Star, which I believe is in the front of the grille. It'll light up at night. It does have the premium package, which comes with the garage door opener and the integrated compass, which that was a $3,450 option. It does have the multimedia package, which is comes with a rear view camera and voice control system. It also comes with the appearance package, which was $990 with these 20-inch wheels. You do have the lane assist, which was an option of $875. And your chrome door handle inserts. Now, I've been told that this motor that's in this Mercedes is one of the best ones, excuse me as I open the hood, one of the best ones they've ever built. They're rather bulletproof is what I'm told, and this is from a Mercedes mechanic. See, it's pretty clean under here. It's really all engine. It's a V6. For a little car, if I'm reading this right, this thing is not light. It's 5,400 pounds, which is crazy. Okay, let's go around to, took you away from the interior, but just to give you a view of the inside. The interior is in very good shape. There's no evidence of any kind of wear and tear or rips or repairs. This thing says it has a refrigerated cooled box located in the glove box, but I don't know. Never seen that. The back seats. It does have the panoramic roof. You also have the power liftgate. Our detailers do a great job of putting lines. Okay. There's the security back here, and I'm gonna hit the shut that. More of the back seat. Passenger side. And we're going to go inside and we're going to start it up for a minute here so you can see some of the functions. Now, these Mercedes, and I just learned this a couple years ago, have these, this is the key, but you can stick it in the ignition like the old times, or you could purchase a button and you never have to take the key out, which is pretty cool. And it just turns into a push button. All right, excuse me as I get this step. There we go. Shut the sunroof to kill the glare. There we go. Oop, that was off. Radio. There's the navigation system. There's your Bluetooth system. There's the dashboard. As you can see, the lights that are on are for the headlights. Over there to the right, to the left, and then to the right is the seatbelt. The interior is in really good shape. Sometimes some of these Mercedes, the wood gets, after years, it gets a little, there's some cracking in it. But there is none in here. There's your heated seats. Oh, it says it has a refrigerator in here, but let's see. I don't know. Maybe it gets cool. I don't know. I'm not that familiar with that. But okay, we're gonna pop the hood again so you can listen to it run. It's actually pretty quiet. Oh, you can see where it's illuminated. Yeah. Okay, and that is about it. You can contact us. We have full-fledged financing, excuse me. We do accept trade-ins. We do ship 50% of our vehicles out of state, and we'll do everything we can to put you into this 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK350. Thank you. In the end, just so you know, Gmotorcars does ship 50% of their vehicles, and we have proudly sold to every single state in this country, including Alaska and Hawaii, and we can definitely ship this car to you. There's a credit app on Gmotorcars.com, and feel free to fill that out, and somebody will get back to you probably within 20 to 30 minutes. And if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.